breaking updates coming in. A shocking case of civic apathy in Mumbai. A woman has died after falling into a drain. The woman died after drowning in a drain. A very shocking incident coming to light where a 45-year-old woman drowned in a nala that was overflowing due to heavy rains in suburban Andheri. Now, the incident occurred at around 9:20 p.m. near gate number 8 at MIDC in Andheri East. The victim has been identified as Vimal. My colleague Shweta is joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Shweta, this is extremely shocking. A 45-year-old woman died after falling into a drain amid the heavy rainfalls, and unfortunately there are several areas around which have been affected due to the heavy rains, but this is a clear case of civic apathy. What are the details?
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, it is shocking as well as appalling. What we understand is that due to heavy downpour, one life has been lost and the victim has been identified as Vimal Gaikwad. Remember, 45-year-old woman dies due to open drain, and she slipped into the nala. And what we also understand, the situation was grim at the time, and of course this is a civic apathy what we are talking about. The situation is of course been taken control by, as per BMC officials, what they are claiming, but here what we also understand is that the spot was MIDC Andheri, and it took place around 9:20 p.m. yesterday. But yesterday, of course, for 5 to 6 hours, Mumbaikas witnessed heavy rainfall, and the blame game, of course, from BMC had also begun, where Mumbaikas were taking to social media, and they were talking about the various places where that has been waterlogged. The open nala was, of course, being highlighted by Mumbaikas, and this is the time where, again, the major embarrassment for BMC has taken place, where a 45-year-old woman has lost her life while she was taken to the hospital, but she was declared brought dead by the doctors at the hospital. So clearly this is again a shameful act, I can say, where the BMC has been claiming to have tall promises, in fact, but all seems to be hollow. Here for 6 hours, Mumbaikas witnessed heavy downpour, and IMD has also sounded orange alert for Mumbai today, and Palghar has been sounded with a red alert by IMD.
Shweta, you know, unfortunately, every single time it rains, this is the situation. There are open drains, the roads are completely inundated, there are potholes that open up, and Mumbaikars and people across Maharashtra really have no option left, because this is the civic apathy that's witnessed again, and now heavy rains are expected again today as well, and the situation could only worsen.
Oh, well, that's right. In fact, as we go through the pattern, what BMC has shown us from May to June onwards, they start claiming that BMC is monsoon prepared, and the sort of monsoon preparedness what they show up is something really different from the reality. What we also see in the first rain itself, the nalas are choked up. Somewhere the potholes, in fact, clearly creates a lot of problem for traveling menaces, of course, there. Apart from this, what we also see is that the manhole is one very important thing what BMC has always forgotten, and due to this many lives have already been claimed earlier. This is again a shocker, because BMC was clearly not standing on their own promises. In fact, the arrangements were also not proper. If they understand that it has been the place that is getting inundated or waterlogged for several hours, they could have done the arrangement, but it was several places where we see citizens, they take their call, they do the things what BMC, being the richest civic body of Asia, should have done. Here clearly BMC once again falling flat from their tall promises. One life has been lost in Mumbai, in Andheri.
Absolutely. Richest civic body, and every single time in the rains, this is the same old story playing out ahead. This is something that the voters will also be thinking of as they cast their vote this time around. Thank you for joining us with those details. We're shifting attention to